Hello everyone, we are studying class 6 mathematics and we are here to learn about the rounding of numbers to its nearest 100 and nearest 1000. In previous class, we have studied to find the nearest 10 of any given number. Okay, in today's class, we will learn to round off any number to its nearest 100 and nearest 1000, which is related to your exercise 1.3. In exercise 1.3, we will solve the question related to this topic. So, it is necessary for us to understand this concept. Okay. So, going ahead from nearest 10, now we will learn about nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Okay. In nearest 100, to find if we have a number and we want to find its nearest 100 or nearest 1000, to find its nearest 100, we will go to the digit at 100 place, because we are finding the nearest 100 of that number. So we will go to the digit at 100 place. This is your first step. Okay. In second step, you will see the digit at 100 place. Okay. In second step, you will see the digit which is just behind the digit at 100 place. Okay, it means you will see just behind the hundreds digit. Okay, digit at 100 place, you will see just behind it, means you will see the digit at tens place. Okay, this is your second step. In third step, you will see the number which is just behind the digit at 100 place. It is less than 5 or greater than 5 or equal than 5. Okay. If the digit at tens place means just behind the hundreds digit at 100 place, if it is greater than 5, there will be two conditions. Digit will be the tens digit or the digit which is just behind the digit at 100 place, it will be greater than 5 or greater or equal than 5, or it will be less than 5. If it is greater or equal than 5, in that condition, we will increase the digit at 100 place by 1. Which digit should be increased? The digit at 100 place, because we are finding the nearest 100 of the number. So we will increase the digit at 100 place by 1, and after that we will put two zeros. How many zeros? Two zeros, because after 100 there are two digits, ones and tens. So we will put two zeros after that. Okay, when we will increase the 100 digit by 1. If the digit at tens place, it is greater or equal than 5. Okay, in second condition, the digit at tens place means the digit which is just behind the hundreds place, it will be less than 5. In second condition, it will be less than 5. In that condition, we will not make any change. We will not make any change to the digit at 100 place. We will not make any change to the digit at 100 place, and we will write the digit as it is. And after that, we will put two zeros. Okay. So if the digit at tens place, it is greater or equal than 5, we will increase the digit at 100 place by 1, and then we will put two zeros. And if the digit at tens place, it is less than 5, we will make no change to the digit at 100 place, and again we will put two zero after that. Okay. So there are, to find the nearest 100 of any given number, first we will see the digit at 100 place, and then we will see the digit at tens place. Okay, the digit at tens place, If the digit at tens place is greater than or equal than 5, the digit at 100 place it should be increased by 1, and then we will put two zeros. Okay, and if the digit at tens place means just behind the hundreds place it is less than 5, we will not make any change to the digit at 100 place, and again we will put two zeros after that. Okay, so that's the way we can round off any numbers to its nearest 100. For example, we have a number like 128. 128. We have a number which is 128. We have to find its nearest 100. So you can see first to find what was the first step to find the nearest 100 of any given number. We will go to the digit at 100 place. First step is to go to the digit at 100 place. 100 here. The digit at 100 place is 1. Okay. Second step, we will see just behind. We will see just behind. After 1, behind 1, there is 2. Behind 1, there is 2. So, here it is 2. Now, we will see the digit which is just behind. We will see it is greater or equal than 5. There will be two conditions. It is equal if it is greater or equal than 5, or it is less than 5. You can see the digit which is just behind the 1 means just behind the 100 digit at 100 place it is 2, and 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. Then in second condition, if the number is less than 5, we will make no change to the digit at 100 place. So if there will be no change, so we will write as it is. So here it is 1, so we will write 1. Okay. Now what was the next step? We will put after writing the hundreds digit. After writing the hundreds digit, we will digit at 100 place. We will put two zeros. So now we will put two zeros there after that. So the number that we get it is 100. So the nearest 100 of 128, nearest 100 of 128 will be 100. Okay. If there are more digits, that like the digits at thousand place, 100, 10,000, 100, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So in that condition, we will write the digits as they are. Okay. We will write the digits as they are, like the digits at 100,000 place, 10,000 place, or lakh or 10 lakh and other places. So we will write them as they are. We will not make any change to those digits. We will make change only to the digit at 100 place. If the digit which is just behind it is greater or equal than 5. In that case, we will make change to the digit at 100 place, and it will be increased by 1. Okay, and if it is less than 5, we will not make any change. Okay, that way we can find nearest 100 of any given number. For example, we can take another example, like we have a number which is 4,291. Okay, 4,291. We have to find its nearest 100, so we have to go to the digit at 100 place. At 100 place, it is 2. Now, see, just behind 2, there is 9. You get the digit which is just behind the 2, means the digit at 100 place just behind there is 9. 9 is greater than 5. Yes, 9 is greater than 5. So it is greater than 5 now. So what we will do? We will increase. Now we will make change. Now we will increase the digit at 100 place by 1. So now it is 2. So it will become 3. And what we will do with 4? Just I told you that if there are more digits after 100, we will not make any change to that. हम उसमें कोई भी चेंज नहीं करेंगे. आगे 100 के आगे अगर कोई डिजिट्स हैं, संख्याएं हैं, तो हम वैसे का वैसा उनको लिख देंगे. So we will write 4 as it is. Okay, so it will be 4 Now 100 place digit and 100 place, it will be increased by 1. Why? Because the digit which is just behind it is 9 and it is greater than 5. So the digit at 100 place will be increased by 1. So it will be, now it will become 3. 2 plus 1, it will become 3. And after that we will put 2 zeros. So now we will put 2 zeros. 1, 2. Now it's become 4300. It means nearest hundred of 4291 is 4300. After writing the hundreds digit at 100 place, okay, we will put 2 zeros after that. Okay, we will not repeat the digit at tens place and digit at ones place. This is the way by which you can find the nearest hundred of any given number. Okay. Now let's go to the nearest thousand. Now we will learn to find the nearest thousand of any given number. So to find the nearest thousand of any given number, we will first step we will go to the digit at thousand place. The like we have done in to find the nearest hundred. To find the nearest hundred, we go to in first step we go to the digit at hundred place. Now to find the nearest thousand, first we will go to the digit at thousand place, and same we will after going to the digit at after reaching the digit at hundred place, we will see just behind. And if the number which is just behind it is, again there will be two conditions. It will be less than 5, it will be greater or equal than 5, or it will be less than 5. If it is greater or equal than 5, then we will make change to the digit at thousand place. Okay, to find the nearest thousand, we will change the digit at thousand place, like we have done. The way we have done it to find the nearest hundred. To find the nearest hundred, we have changed the digit at hundred place. If the digit which is just behind it is greater or equal than 5. So to find the nearest thousand, we will change the digit at thousands place if the number which is just behind the digit at thousand place, it is greater or equal than 5. Okay, and if the number which is just behind the digit at hundredth place, it is less than 5, in that condition again we will not make any change to any digit. We will not make any change to the thousands digit at thousands place. Okay, and other digits, if we have more digits after thousands like 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, they will be retained as they are. There will be no change at all. Okay, so this is the way we can by following these steps we can find the nearest thousand of any given number. Okay, first you go to the digit at thousand place. Next you see the digit which is just behind. It is less than 5 or greater or equal than 5. If it is less than 5, don't make any change. Just write the digits at thousand place. And one more thing, now you have to put 3 zeros. In nearest 10, we have put 1 zeros. To find the nearest 100, we will put 2 zeros, and to find the nearest 1000, now we will put 3 zeros after writing the digit at thousands place. Okay, this is the way we can find the nearest thousand of any given number. Okay, and if it is greater or equal than 5, then increase the digit at thousand place by 1. Okay, so it will be, for example, we have a number like 5,865. Its nearest thousand will be, to find the nearest thousand, we will go to the digit at thousands place. Thousands place, it is 5. Okay, now see the just behind. Which digit is just behind? It is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, now we will increase the digit at thousands place by 1. Okay, so now it is 5, so now it will become 6. It will become 6, and next we will put 3 zeros after adding the digit at thousands place. We will put 3 zeros, so it will be 1, 2, and 3. So now it will become 6,000. Okay, so its nearest thousand will be 6,000. Okay, if we have another example like 3,221. Okay, for that you can see here the digit at thousands place is 3, and the digit which is just behind it is 2, and 2 is less than 5. And if it is less than 5, now we will not make any change to the digit at thousands place. So it will be written as it is. Okay, so it will be only 3. So it will be 3, and after that you will put 3 zeros. So now it will become 3,000. So nearest thousand of 3,221, it will be 3,000. This is the way we can find the nearest thousand of any given number. Okay. So in this class we have studied to find the nearest 100 and nearest thousand of any given number. By following these steps, these rules, we can find out the nearest 100 and nearest thousand of any given number. Okay. In coming classes, we will discuss the exercise of 1.3 and its questions, and which are related to nearest 10 to find out nearest 10, nearest 100, and nearest thousands. Okay, so in coming classes we will solve those questions, and that's it for now. Thank you so much for joining. Have a nice day.